Hindi mo ma-enjoy yung ganda ng mundo, yung paligid mo, kasi nakafocus ka sa problema mo.
If you will not do something about this, if you will not build self-mastery, then what the hell makes you think na magbabago buhay mo pag naghintay ka lang?
You are valuable, you can help other people na willing magpasagip. The problem is, sinasagip natin yung ayaw magpasagip.
If you have these tendencies to do revenge, kanino mo ginagawa yung revenge? Sa'yo.
It's not about the pen and the notebook. It's about keeping my word because this is my team.
How you do one thing is how you do everything.
That's all you have. Yung ngayon. Ano yung pipiliin mo ngayon at gagawin mo ngayon to create the future that you want?
Are problems painful? Yes or yes? Yes. It is painful. But sometimes, not painful enough for you to change. But the question is, are you going to wait or you will make it happen? Para ma-attract natin sila sa buhay natin, we have to have self-mastery.
The highest value in this world is what we call the truth.
Most people will fight for what they believe is true, not what they want to achieve in life. The best investment is investing in yourself first.
Parang isang pattern na nakita ko na parang people pleaser pala ako. Takot ako sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Kaya di ko magawa. Ba't di ako makabenta? Ba't di ako makapag-post? After isang pasada dun sa mga courses, dahil nakita ko na parang people pleaser ako. Parang ngayon, hindi na ako nahihiya o natatakot magsalita ng nasa isip ko. Nakita ko ng resulta. So,
dito ko pala natutunan sa self-mastery, mas naintindihan yung science of achievement. Kasi nga, masyado akong achiever, pero meron akong old beliefs na I'm not good enough.